7 tips to take control of your finances this 2025. Know your why. Bakit mo gustong mag-save or invest? If you can attach your financial goals to a bigger life purpose, you'll stay motivated even when the journey gets tough. Set realistic, practical goals. Example, instead of planning to save 1 million by the end of the year, why not save 5,000 every paycheck or at least 20% of your income? Budget, budget, budget. Ang purpose ng budget ay not to restrict you but to empower you. Kapag may budget ka, alam mo kung saan napupunta yung pera mo at pwede mong makontrol yung spending mo. You can follow the 50-20-20-10 rule. Hack: any month you spend less than budgeted, transfer the difference to a high-yield savings account. Small wins add up. Pay down outstanding debt. Pag wala kang utang or personal consumption loan, mas maliwanag ang future mo. This year, make sure to pay the full amount every month on your credit card. Be serious with your emergency fund. Life happens and an emergency fund can keep you afloat kapag may unexpected na nangyari. Save at least 3 to 6 months worth of your income. Start small and consistently do it. Itong fund na to, ito yung financial safety net mo. Fifth, automate your savings. Pwede kang mag-set up ng direct deposit from your paycheck into savings account na mas may chance mag-grow yung pera mo. Maraming bangko ngayon, especially mga digital banks that offer higher interest rates even sa short-term savings. Kapag naka-automation kasi yung pera mo, less pressure and you grow your money without even thinking about it. Focus on financial wellness. Finances are deeply connected with our mental health, and to take care of our finances, we have to take care of ourselves too. Update or get an insurance plan. Magpa-annual review ka sa financial advisor mo to validate that your policy still reflects your current situation in life and provides the right level of protection to your loved ones. We have to make sure that your policy is aligned sa evolving financial priorities mo. If you're still aligned with your goals, pwede ka pa rin makipag-usap sa financial advisor mo para naman sa new goals na gusto mong i-work on. If you're ready to secure your future, you can message me and let's make it happen.